Awunabo abantu bengijwayela kabi bo. Yazi intombi kaMpumelelo zingijwayela kabi. Bengingangibuza ingane before. Bengingangibuza ingane mase kuzoba usine lento ezizalela ekhaya lengenanga ngisho isimilo kodwa kuzokhulunywa ngami. Kuzokhulunywa ngami. Kumele nje kuqalwe nje kulungiswe. Ake nilungise lengane yenu ehamba izala namadoda different. Ake niqale ngayo nje. Ngoba njengamanje ngithuka mina ukuthi mina ngumjendevu just because mina I'm a relationship they are the people that I've been involved with. People that I've been involved with, they are big. Musanini nini ukwenza ibreakfast ngegama lami. Musanini ukudla niphaka ngisho ukudla kwenu okungasile lokho. Nginyanyise ekuseni ukusa nje. Ayikho ishow yashuthwa kudala ungazokhuluma into ongayazi. Ningazokhuluma nje angazi ukuthi mhlambe-ke yes. Mhlambe-ke yes ke badala ngimdala kunabo kodwa bathatheni nibabeke la. Bengazokwenza icontent ngami mina lezi igogwana zikaMpumelelo. Hawu ave ithanda futhi lokho okunye kona okubovana lokho okubovana ngathi udadwa kuboka amacele. Ngathi bayalamana nomacele ngendlela aguge ngayo. So ningangiphapheli mina. Ningibheke kahle mina ngiyona insangu mina. Wakashezi kayi-1 futhi. Ningibheke kahle nje. Singajwayelani bakwethu.
Queen Loli has finally addressed Mpumelelo and his two baby mama after the episode of Izingani Zesthembu, where the ladies discovered that Mpumelelo has a clove video with Queen Loli, who is much older than him, you guys. Taken to her Insta Live, Queen Loli said they should not disrespect her like that and trash talk about her for the sake of creating TV content. You guys, that video was done about a year ago. She says that Mpumelelo's two girlfriends, Utirelo and Viyokazi, are old Gogwanas, and also Utirelo, who is the light-skinned one, looks like she's old enough to be Macele's age maid and probably Macele's friend, you guys. So she also came for Snem Seleku, saying that Seleku needed to focus on Sneh, who has a lot of kids with a different baby daddy, and leave her alone. She said that she's not the one to be messed with, you guys. Now there you have it. Please do engage with me in the comment section. Please subscribe if you haven't yet done so. Like this video, also share it, and thank you so much for clicking and actually watching this one. I'll definitely see you on my next one. Bye.